So this is a new FRONTECH UPS static converter. Electra Plus FT256. Maintenance free battery, technologies for tomorrow, LED indicator, power switch, and compatible. These are the features of the UPS uninterrupted power supply. And here are the specifications given here. Input 230 volt AC, voltage range 140 to 300, frequency 50 Hz, and output battery mode 50 Hz, waveform, AC voltage regulation, full protection, overload, discharge, and overcharge protection, and battery type and number. Yes, here it is. 7 ampere battery and 12 volt 7 ampere, 6 hours up to 90% of recharge time is 6 hours up to 90% of full capacity, and physical net weight 4.2 kg. Dimension here given, and LED there, green flashing and lighting, AC mode and battery mode, two types of LED indicator, alarm, battery mode. During the battery mode, sounding every 10 seconds. During low battery, sounding every second. Overload, sounding every 0.5 second when it is overloaded. Fault, continuously sounding. Environmental, humidity 0 to 90% RH, 0 to 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, noise level, non-condensing, less than 40 dB, that's decibel, and lots of. This is not line interactive. If it is, then it has to be written over there. Okay, I have just purchased it today because my previous UPS is no more with me, and that's it. So let's unbox it. It's unboxed. Here it is, your favorite FRONTECH UPS. It's a user manual. As we know, we don't need this. Everyone knows how to operate, and it's given. If you want, then you can check thoroughly it. Okay, here is the power cable. Quality of power cable is average. It's written over there. Lot of things written over there. Voltage, ampere, and lots of things. Left, right, and R. So that's it. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out. So this is the so-called UPS. I had a UPS previously, but it's now no more. This is my another new UPS. Okay, thank you very much.